How get consecutive weeks in a group in dfPython? I have the follow df_n. I tried use the follow code. But this code don't return what I want. I would like that a new column with true or false with the follow logic. See, I want to return true only the weeks consecutives and false only the weeks that the next row not is consecutive for each group in time_series. In other words, isolated weeks without another consecutive one. I want it to return false if not true. How can I do this?
You can try. Or by taking year week. Update. I got it now. Isolated dates here mean they don't have the same time series. So you are looking to group them by time series, and then apply the logic. This will do the job. Update.
You can try.